Have you ever stopped to think that although most people believe that the kidneys can clean themselves, the reality might be a bit more complex? We live in a world where we are constantly exposed to toxins, medications, and unbalanced diets that, without us realizing it, end up overloading our organs. And here's the most intriguing point: what if you could give your kidneys a reset, promoting a natural detox that not only improves kidney function but also elevates your health to a new level? It sounds too good to be true, but the secrets we're about to reveal could completely change the way you take care of your body. And believe me, the results can be so surprising that you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. Understanding kidney cleanse. When it comes to kidney cleansing, many people are skeptical, thinking it's just another passing fad. However, the truth is that our kidneys, despite being incredibly efficient, can become overloaded due to an unbalanced diet, excessive use of medications, and constant exposure to toxins. Think of the kidneys as the body's powerful filters, but even the best filters need maintenance from time to time. Therefore, understanding how to support these organs with detox practices is essential to ensure they continue to function well. An interesting point to consider is how small changes in your daily routine can make a big difference. For example, adding more natural and fresh foods to your diet, such as water-rich fruits and vegetables, can help your kidneys function better, eliminating toxins more efficiently. Many people notice a significant improvement in overall health by reducing the consumption of processed foods and increasing fluid intake. These simple practices not only help the kidneys but also improve health holistically. Finally, it's important to remember that although the kidneys have the natural ability to cleanse themselves, there are times when extra help is needed. With the fast-paced lifestyle and constant exposure to factors that compromise our health, such as pollution and processed foods, supporting the renal system should not be neglected. With some changes in diet and lifestyle, it is possible to promote a true kidney detox, paving the way for practices that not only improve kidney health but also prevent future problems. After all, who doesn't want to keep their kidneys in top shape and ensure long-lasting health? Importance of antioxidants. The importance of antioxidants for kidney health cannot be underestimated. These powerful compounds are like shields that protect the body against oxidative stress, one of the main culprits behind kidney diseases. When our body is bombarded by free radicals, whether from poor diet, pollution, or even stress, antioxidants step in to neutralize them. Incorporating antioxidant-rich foods like berries, grapes, and even green tea can be an effective strategy to protect the kidneys and maintain their health. A practical example is the daily inclusion of blueberries and strawberries at breakfast or as an afternoon snack. These fruits are not only delicious but also loaded with antioxidants that help fight inflammation, one of the main causes of kidney problems. Additionally, by opting for these healthier choices, you are reducing the intake of inflammatory foods, such as those rich in sugar and trans fats, which further contributes to kidney well-being. Small actions like these can make the difference between robust kidney health and the development of complications. Another point to consider is how antioxidants help prevent premature aging of the kidneys. Over time, the kidneys, like any other organ, can lose efficiency, but the constant presence of antioxidants in the diet can slow this process. Imagine antioxidants as a maintenance team that, day after day, ensures your kidneys continue to operate at full capacity. Therefore, investing in an antioxidant-rich diet is one of the best ways to ensure that your kidneys remain healthy and functional for a long time. And speaking of beneficial foods, there are some that deserve special attention when it comes to kidney health. Tofu and tempeh. Tofu and tempeh, soy-based foods, are true allies when it comes to kidney health, especially for those dealing with chronic kidney disease, CKD. Unlike other protein sources, these foods are naturally low in phosphorus, potassium, and sodium, nutrients that need to be carefully monitored in renal diets. Additionally, they offer high-quality protein, which is easier for the kidneys to process, making them a smart choice for those who want to keep these organs functioning well. Incorporating tofu and tempeh into your daily diet can be simpler than it seems. For example, a tofu stir-fry with vegetables and a bit of low-sodium soy sauce is a practical and tasty option. Tempeh can be grilled and added to salads or main dishes as a versatile meat alternative. Besides benefiting the kidneys, these choices also promote a more balanced diet rich in essential nutrients that contribute to overall health. With these small changes, it is possible to support kidney health in a delicious and nutritious way. It's interesting to note that in addition to the direct benefits for the kidneys, consuming tofu and tempeh is associated with other positive health aspects. As plant-based protein sources, they help reduce the intake of animal proteins, which in excess can overload the kidneys. Additionally, these foods are rich in natural antioxidants, which, as we discussed earlier, play a crucial role in protecting the kidneys against oxidative stress. Therefore, by adopting tofu and tempeh in your diet, you not only promote kidney health but also contribute to a healthier and more sustainable lifestyle. And when it comes to healthy eating, another food deserves attention. Seaweed benefits. Seaweed, often underestimated in Western diets, are true treasures when it comes to kidney health. One of the main components that makes seaweed a superfood is fucoidan, a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation and promotes overall kidney function. For those looking for a natural detox, seaweed is an excellent option, acting as a shield against toxins that can overload the kidneys and compromise them over time. Incorporating seaweed into your diet may seem like a challenge, but it doesn't have to be complicated. For example, adding nori or wakame to salads or soups is a simple and tasty way to enjoy the benefits of this food. Another tip is to include kombu when cooking beans or grains, which not only improves digestion but also enriches the meal with essential minerals. These practices, in addition to supporting kidney function, contribute to a more diverse and nutrient-rich diet that benefits the entire body. In addition to its antioxidant benefits, seaweed is also rich in iodine, an essential mineral for thyroid health, which in turn directly influences kidney health. The thyroid regulates metabolism, and a healthy metabolism is essential for keeping the kidneys functioning efficiently. Therefore, by including seaweed in your diet, you are not only promoting kidney health but also taking care of other vital systems in your body. Speaking of overall health, there is another group of foods that deserves to be explored when it comes to kidney protection. Fatty fish. Fatty fish, such as salmon, tuna, and sardines, are often celebrated for their positive impact on cardiovascular health, but their benefits go beyond that, especially when it comes to kidney health. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have the remarkable ability to reduce inflammation in the body, a crucial factor in the prevention and management of chronic kidney disease, CKD. Additionally, omega-3 helps regulate blood pressure, one of the main risk factors for developing kidney problems. Incorporating omega-3 rich fish into your diet can be a simple and effective strategy to support kidney health. A grilled salmon meal, for example, is not only delicious but also provides a significant amount of these beneficial fatty acids. If you prefer, canned tuna, preferably in water and low in sodium, is a practical alternative for those with a busier routine. Besides the direct benefits for the kidneys, regular consumption of fatty fish also contributes to better heart health, creating a positive chain effect that favors overall well-being. It's important to note that fatty fish are a complete source of protein, meaning they provide all the essential amino acids that the body needs to function properly. This high-quality protein is easier for the kidneys to process compared to other animal protein sources, such as red meats. Therefore, by choosing fatty fish as a regular part of your diet, you are making a choice that protects and supports your kidneys while promoting overall health. And when it comes to natural ingredients that can benefit the kidneys, one deserves special attention. Apple cider vinegar, ACV. Apple cider vinegar, known for its numerous beneficial properties, has also gained attention for maintaining kidney health. One of its main benefits is its potential to help prevent and treat kidney stones, thanks to its ability to help dissolve calcium deposits and improve kidney function. Additionally, apple cider vinegar is an ally for those looking to reduce proteinuria, a condition in which proteins are excreted excessively in the urine, which can be a sign of kidney overload. To incorporate apple cider vinegar into your daily routine, a practical suggestion is to mix a tablespoon in a glass of water and consume it before meals. This not only aids digestion but also enhances its detox effects, promoting more efficient kidney cleansing. It's important to choose organic, unfiltered apple cider vinegar that contains the mother, rich in enzymes and beneficial bacteria. In addition to improving kidney health, this practice can also contribute to a more balanced metabolism and better digestive health. Apple cider vinegar is a safe option for kidney health because it contains low levels of sodium, potassium, and phosphorus, making it a smart choice for those who need to monitor these minerals. By including it in your diet, you not only support your kidneys but also adopt a simple and accessible practice that can bring broad benefits to the body. Additionally, ACV is a natural alternative to many medications that, over time, can overload the kidneys. And speaking of dietary options that care for kidney health, there's a group of vegetables that deserves special mention. Kale and leafy greens. Consuming leafy vegetables, especially kale, is a highly recommended practice for those who want to keep their kidneys healthy. Kale stands out for being rich in essential nutrients like vitamins A, C, and K, as well as fiber and antioxidants, which together provide robust support for kidney function. Unlike other leafy greens, kale is low in oxalates, compounds that can contribute to the formation of kidney stones, making it a safe and beneficial choice to include in your daily diet. Adding kale and other leafy greens to your diet can be easier than it seems. A practical way is to use them in green juices, fresh salads, or even sautéed as a side dish to main meals. For example, a morning detox juice with kale, green apple, and ginger can be an excellent way to start the day, ensuring that your body receives a concentrated dose of nutrients that aid in kidney cleansing. Besides benefiting kidney health, regular consumption of leafy greens contributes to overall health, including improvements in the digestive system and immunity. Another point to highlight is that kale, being rich in antioxidants, helps combat oxidative stress, a factor that can compromise kidney health over time. These antioxidants act as a protective barrier, preventing free radicals from damaging kidney cells. Therefore, by including kale and other leafy greens in your diet, you are adopting a practice that protects your kidneys while promoting overall well-being. And at the end of this path of healthy food choices, you will realize that, just like the kidneys, your entire body will thank you. Now that you know all these secrets to keeping your kidneys healthy, the question remains, what will you do with this information? Will you let it pass or will you really implement these changes in your life? Remember, small adjustments in your diet and lifestyle can make a huge difference in your long-term health. How about starting today? Try incorporating some of the foods we discussed, like kale or fatty fish, and see how your body responds. After all, who doesn't want to live with more energy and fewer worries? And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. That way, you'll keep learning more about how to take better care of your body and ensure strong health. Let's go together on this journey.